What's going on, guys? Neil Bauman here with Parrot Key. Wanted to let you know that we had our first session today for the mentorship program. It was held this morning around 10 a.m. Eastern, ran for about 2 hours. We expected introductions to take a little bit longer. We did not post that video today as there was some personal content, pertaining to the mentees that are within the course. So we will do so moving forward. If you do not see one posted up that day, it's probably because something was said in there that we just don't feel should be put up onto the website or onto the online class. If it's personal regarding to someone's, home life, their personal experience and work life, we don't want to air that out all out to everyone to see. So it'll kind of be a case by case with the aim of hopefully posting all of these. But we know that some are going to slip in there. We don't want the masses to see what we were talking about entirely. Like I said, only when, it's personal, something related to that. So great stuff we went over today. We had an introduction just on my background, who I am, just how came to this and how we got to doing or got into doing this Parrot Key mentorship program. It's been 4 or 5 years coming now, and we are slowly transitioning into doing this full time. I am backing out of claims slowly so that I can train people more often. And then we're also giving the folks the opportunity to do ride-alongs with us as well in the mentorship program, so they can get firsthand experience of how Armand or myself write and close a file on site. About to jump into a one-on-one here in about 4 minutes. This is another perk that you get when you do enter into our mentorship program, is you get 1 hour a week to meet with us. If you're in the hyper-paced, you do get 2 hours a week. I do think I'm going to break that up into 1 hour increments. You can book 1 hour at a time. You just get two separate 1 hour meetings that week. It's a lot better than booking a whole 2 hours out and making myself unavailable when I could help going for the quantity, helping a couple more people that day. With 1 hour bookings versus 2 hour. Next thing we talked about is going to NACA networking. Huge, huge, huge. Getting that back end set up, meaning the LLC, the business cards, the credentials, getting your training, up to par where you need it to be. Resume, getting the resume, you know, uh, shined up, brought back out, blow the cobwebs off, use AI to help you with certain things. If you don't know how to word something, ask it to, reword, a section for you, and it will do that and help you. That is the first thing they look at, along with the business card. And then next is yourself. Getting out to these network events is huge. I cannot recommend NACA enough. Those of you that know me and have been watching my videos, I've been recommending NACA nonstop. It changed my life. I guarantee it will change yours also. We are all going to NACA in Little Rock. So we're going to be moving in numbers, hanging out together. I even told the group that we can go out to a bar or restaurant and get some drinks, and we can even sketch the bar out or something like that, have some fun with it. So very excited about that. We are going to be releasing a map and all the names of whoever's in the mentorship program. And when they do successfully complete the program, they will be listed as an adjuster that can be used within your firm, carrier, whatever you are, attorney, adjuster, whoever it is. You can hire these guys and girls and get them in and use them within your firm. So very excited. We're going to be doing these daily. I'll be posting tomorrow that live session. And it's all going to be held in our Parrot Key studio here. We sink some good money into the camera equipment to get everything good and working properly. And we think that we have it all finally figured out. So very excited for this program. If you're looking to get in the mentorship program, it's not too late. I'm going to leave it open for the next 2-3 days, but at next week, it's over. There's no getting into the mentorship program. So big year, big 2025. We got asked to speak at the Elevate conference, which you're doing that. We have some great announcements coming out at that time, and we cannot wait for this year. So thanks, y'all, and stay tuned for the next episode.